Hi everybody, I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop, and today we repaired a really sharp dent on the driver's door of this 2024 Hyundai Palisade. This is a really beautiful car, and this dent was right on the edge, so it created what's called as a high line right on the edge. Those are a little more difficult to work, and of course this was really sharp in the center. This dent came out fantastic using Paintless Dent repair. We were able to remove this dent and save the original paint job. And if you have damage like this and would like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless Dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. Also, we're conveniently located here at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.